Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing a safe environment and installing the bot now. Use a secondary account and an isolated emulator or VM to reduce risk. Once done, connect a stable VPN or proxy and install the bot package. Make sure permissions let it interact with the emulator. Configure basic game language, server region, and grant accessibility input so the bot can tap reliably. You're taking steps to protect your main account while getting the first automated actions running immediately. Now configure the bot's task logic to match your playstyle. You'll set a farm list, resource priorities, and max trips, then schedule building, research, and training loops with random delays to mimic human timing. Make sure to enable conditional thresholds so the bot stops farming when caps hit, and add auto-repair and rally rules for military actions. Once these are set, run short test sessions to observe behavior and adjust delays or coordinates until actions align with your server's rhythm and safety needs. Finish by running an extended dry run while you monitor logs and screenshots. This reveals misclicks or timing gaps. Once done, tighten anti-ban measures, add jitter, vary user agent strings, randomize mouse paths and delays to avoid patterns. Make sure backups and rollbacks are ready on your alt account. If anything goes wrong, stop the bot immediately, change IP or VPN, clear emulator traces, and restore from a clean snapshot. This single troubleshooting step will prevent a small issue from becoming a permanent ban.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.